All right, guys, we are live. We are live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Quick little live stream here before the main live stream starts. So, guys, we're just doing a quick one here. Quick little Shiba Inu coin video / live stream. We'll wait for some people to pop on here, but we also have a full live stream coming up at 8:30. That's going to take us into the Crypto Breakfast Club that starts at 9:30. So a lot to get into, guys, for this one. But wanted to do a quick little live / video for Shiba Inu real quick, talking about an expert who recently talked about Shib's price going to the 301 level. And then we do have, again, another live stream scheduled here for 8:30. So we're going to do our normal live stream at 8:30 as well as the one you're watching right now. So just a quick little 10-minute, 12-minute, and then we're going to bring it right into a bigger live stream that goes into the Crypto Breakfast Club. So welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us here. Definitely appreciate it. And yeah, welcome in. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us for sure. All right, so there's an article out there, guys, talking about Shib's price getting to the 301 level. And good morning to everybody out there. Make sure you guys smash the like button here on your way in. Hit that subscribe button. You guys know the drill. Welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys for being here. So Shiba Inu right now is trending upwards with the rest of the market. We are expecting an Ethereum ETF. And the big question is, how high can we go in this bull cycle? Okay, a lot of people want to try to unpack this. We're currently sitting at a $10.4 billion market cap. I've been talking about Shib getting to a $100 billion market cap in this cycle, and I think that's a really good target for us, considering we went to about 40 to 50 billion last cycle, give or take, depending on a couple big wicks up. But right now, we're taking a look at Shib's price again right now at the 401779 level, right on the heels of Tron and Avalanche. Avalanche has actually been doing some really nice things. Avalanche has kind of pulled away from Shib here in the last couple days because it's up almost 10% today, 20% on the week. Dogecoin also doing its thing a little bit with Elon changing his eyes to the laser eyes on X. That has people pretty pumped up. Good morning to everybody out there too. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. We are going to start another live stream right after this, so make sure you guys check that out. It is up on the channel as well. So the live we have scheduled at 8:30 is right here. We are live right now talking about Shib, but this live is going to go live at 8:30 in 10 minutes. So hopefully you guys all come over there and join us for the bigger live stream talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, big week. But I wanted to focus on Shib here for a couple minutes. There's an expert out there who's looking at Elliott wave theory and basically taking Elliott wave and extrapolating it out for the price of Shib. And this is a prominent person who, looks at charts and says basically that we could see a rally that could propel its value beyond its all-time high within that 301 range. So Dogecoin, Pepe, and WIF are up quite a bit here the last 7 days. Shib lagging a little bit right now in terms of the weekly gains because it's basically flat, not really up, not really down. But eventually I think we're going to get a breakout, and that's what this chartist or analyst says as well. But they shared a post saying, based on the Elliott wave theory, buckle up for a potential wave 3 ride for Shiba Inu. Keep your eyes peeled for confirmation. And if we take a look at kind of what they broke down, some current price levels we're watching for. One of the waves depicted Shiba Inu's most recent trend to the upside, where it hit a 3-year high of 4045. Of course, that happened back in March, if you guys remember. We went up about like 100% just in March. Really, it was over a couple weeks in March, which was crazy. And this was following a big downtrend, right? We spiked up to the 4.5 level, basically got a little bit over half of the all-time high, which was pretty nuts. Getting up there toward like $22-23 billion market cap. This uptrend, though, back in March, was followed by a big correction in which Shib crashed all the way back down to the 12.94 level just this month. That was our lows this month, early this month, which was a great buying opportunity. We talked about it. You guys remember, right around the 4th of July, we were saying this is a fire sale. This is a huge opportunity to pick up some really cheap Shib and cheap assets. It was a great opportunity. Now we're back up into that 17 range, looking a lot stronger here toward the back end of July. And July has actually turned into a bullish month for crypto. All in all, it has turned into a bullish month, which is awesome, obviously. And now we have an Ethereum ETF, which we're going to talk more about in our live stream in about 7 minutes. We'll go live again. We already have it scheduled on the channel, so make sure you guys are ready for that. Make sure you're subscribed, notifications, put them all on, guys, because this is the time to stay locked in. We're going to be getting a ton of content out there over these next couple weeks. And when we turn the page, when we move from summer to fall, guys, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. This is where we ride the wave to the top. Okay, this is our time where we should be stacking our chips and preparing for some major moves. Major moves. Now, that crash that we had on Shib after it, went up to the 4.5 level, that was 4.045. We came all the way back down to 4.012. 71% decline from that yearly high that we hit back in March. Now the analyst is expecting a new wave to emerge. And this is predicted to be longer and stronger than that first wave that brought us up to the 4.5 level. This wave, if the Elliott wave theory proves to be true in this instant when it comes to Shib, could be expected to propel Shiba Inu coin's price not only to reclaim its 2021 all-time high, in which it hit 4.08845, but also to enter a new price discovery phase. And this is talking about, once you break a previous all-time high, we call that price discovery, meaning we have not been here before, all bets are off. Obviously, that big level would be getting rid of a zero, getting to the 301 level, which would put us in an unbelievable position here. And obviously, would get us heading toward that $100 billion market cap. So the analyst is urging Shib enthusiasts to buckle up for a potential wave 3 ride. Now, a lot of people asking when. Nobody has a crystal ball, but they're basically saying when this next uptrend really kicks in, this could be the long uptrend that brings us to an all-time high. And if we look at the weekly, guys, if we take a look at the weekly chart on Shib, let me show you this. This is the weekly. So this was back in March where we popped up to that 4.5 level, okay? We trended all the way down, and we really started coming down hard in June. Bottomed out here in July, but since that point, on the weekly, we've been picking up steam very slowly. See this reversal the last 3 weeks? The week of July 8th, the week of July 15th, and this is the week of July 22nd. This is going to be a big week to watch for Shib. Does this uptrend continue here? Do we get back up into the 2s this week? Does this V-shaped recovery continue here with Shib? That is going to be what we're looking for. So it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen, boom, like right out of the gate. But somebody's asking if we take a look at the RSI, looks really good. RSI's at 5.2 right now. That tells us that buyers and sellers have met in the middle here, and the chart shows us this too. We're seeing consolidation happen again, and hopefully we even get a little bit more upside here, even if it's a little bit, to continue this continuation upward here after bottoming out to begin the month. But the RSI looks really good. RSI 14-day close sitting at 5273. Anytime we're around that 50, this is a scale obviously from 0 to 100. So it's really not overbought or oversold right now. It's just basically sitting there ready to be moved one direction or the other. And we believe with Ethereum ETFs coming that this could be the move we've been waiting for, at least the start of the move to the upside, and maybe potentially the move toward all-time highs, guys. So again, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Smash the like button here. We only have 36 likes, which is crazy. 354 people watching. Only 36 likes is absurd. And we're going to be going live with our other live stream. We might even just keep this one going. We could potentially do that. But we are going to be starting another live stream. Not sure if we could be live in two places. Maybe. But I think this is the beginning of the big uptrend here for altcoins. For altcoins, especially ERC20 tokens. Many analysts believe it too. And all we have to do is look at where we went in March with that little pump. And if we believe we're getting ready for a bigger wave that's going to last longer after this little correction that we had after March, with Ethereum ETFs piled on top of that, this is where the money's made, okay? This is where I think we make our bread in Q4 and Q1 of this year. Let me set up my tripod here. Maybe I'll just leave this running. What do you guys think? RSI looks really good. The RSI looks really good. So that's where we're at. That's where we are, ladies and gentlemen. So, we're looking at Bone as well, obviously. We're looking at this entire ecosystem. Keep in mind, next month, huge month for Ethereum. We got the Ethereum conference after an Ethereum ETF. That's going to be in Toronto. Toronto was massive last year, and the Shib ecosystem pumped. Bone has been on an uptrend, very much like Shib. The last 2-3 weeks, Bone has been trending up after bottoming out, guys. Went down to 38 cents, and we were screaming from the mountaintops, this is a phenomenal opportunity, and now it's sitting at 54 cents. Okay? Again, pay attention to big macro trends. The RSI, by the way, still basically telling us that we are oversold. Still at 54 cents. The RSI telling us that we are oversold on Bone. So again, if you guys are not locked in, you're not subscribed to this channel, you're missing out. We're firing this thing up every single day. We're putting out content. Make sure you're subscribed with all notifications on so you don't miss out on anything, guys. And we've got to go live on our other one. Let's see here. You know what? Let's try to do it. Let's try to we're going to go live on another, we're going live twice, basically. Massive week for crypto. This is the live stream that's going to lead us right into Crypto Breakfast Club. So let's do it. Let's fire it up. I don't know if this is going to keep all of the other live stream on too. Maybe. This is going to be live stream on X and everything. So let's try it. Why not? All right, we are live, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. We're live on Vertical Live. We're live on a regular live stream here on X and YouTube. So, a lot to get into, lot to unpack. Going to be a big week for crypto, guys. Massive week. We've got Bitcoin with some narratives. Bitcoin hit $68,000. A lot of people saying Bitcoin could set all-time highs this week. That would be insane. We've got Bitcoin Nashville coming up this week. Donald Trump expected to be there. Rumors are swirling that Elon Musk is planning to go now. Yes, Elon Musk could be heading to Bitcoin Nashville from what we're hearing. That would be insane. So a lot to dive into, guys. And then we have an Ethereum ETF. An Ethereum ETF right around the corner. That expected to go live potentially tomorrow. So this could be shaping up to be a huge week. You could see fear and greed indexes back into the greed zone as Bitcoin topped out at 68K yesterday. Take a look at this. We bounced all the way up to 68,400 in the last 24 hours. Our high in the last 24 hours, 68,480. If you're trying to remember when our all-time high was on Bitcoin, it was set back in March 14th. March 14th, 4 months ago. We are 8% away from the all-time high right now at $73,750. That is pretty insane, considering that retail money has yet to come back into crypto. We're still waiting for an Ethereum ETF to hit the market. So this tells me we have a lot to look forward to. A lot to look forward to here, I think, as we move closer to Q1 of next year and obviously Q4 of this year. So welcome in, everybody. Appreciate you guys for being here. And we're going to break things down, give you guys all the things we're looking at. And $70,000 Bitcoin could be right around the corner. It could happen this week. It could happen this week. So we have a bunch of people trading, by the way, over on Margex. Margex is a leverage trading platform, guys. People trading XRP, Cardano has been on the up and up. You could trade up to 50x leverage with top altcoins. Use my referral code to sign up today. Get 20% sign-on bonus. There's no KYC. Be entered to win up to a big chunk of change in USDT. They're giving away a lot of that money to new signups. So check it out. Links down below if you're interested in that. We've got a ton of people trading over there. And altcoins, meme coins, tons of opportunities out there as well. Moo on Solana hit $100 million market cap recently. It's one we've talked about since it was right around 15 mil. So that's a huge win. But Bitcoin Nashville coming up this week, guys, that's going to be a huge event. Huge event. Probably the biggest Bitcoin conference we've ever seen. And we've got, obviously, the Ethereum ETF projected to go live tomorrow. That could be huge for us as well. That could be huge for us as well. Dogecoin has waken up a little bit. So has Avalanche. WIF has been on a run as well. I'm going to set up shop up here, guys. Bear with me here. Bear with me here. Hold on. We got to get ourselves set up. So what's going on, everybody? We got some people over here on this chat on our vertical live. We've got some people here with our regular live. I'll be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to go grab my mouse and my coffee. I'll be right back, okay? Don't go anywhere. Be right back. Okay, there we go. We're back. We are back. What's going on, everybody? All right. Yeah, this Mew token has entered the top 100. I don't know if you guys have seen this, MEW, which is crazy. This thing has just flown into the top 100. Another meme coin going nuts. I'm not chasing it. I don't know where it came from. We are live on 2 different streams right now. That's crazy. It's pretty sweet. This is the Crypto Breakfast Club coming up at 9:30. You guys know the drill here. We'll be doing the Twitter space at 9:30. But this is what we were talking about over on our Shiba Inu stream that we did right before this one, guys. Talking about Elliott Wave to take Shib towards that 301 level, which could be really, really big, obviously, for us. We mentioned Dogecoin's been moving. We're always taking a look at these big moving averages. If we continue this bullish trend and Dogecoin stays above that 100-day EMA and moves closer to the 200-day EMA, things could be very, very interesting. And I think Dogecoin's still very undervalued here at these levels. Even though we're up a little bit, BNB got back up over 600. How about Solana? Solana's been on a tear. We've been talking about this for a while. Even with the downturn in the market recently, Solana has remained very, very bullish. And RSI still shows us that we're in a really good spot. This is the weekly chart for Sol. Back in March, we were up here a little over 200 bucks. Guys, we're getting close to it. With Solana ETFs potentially coming after Ethereum too. A lot to really, really like about Solana right now. Solana looks really, really good. And that's one of the reasons why we're seeing WIF perform so well. Look at WIF has been flying here. Up another 13% today, up 60% in the last 7 days. Keep an eye, WIF did get all the way up to $4.85 back at the end of March. Got to $4.85. We're at $2.87. So I think there's an opportunity here with WIF still if this trend continues here. PayPay is moving nicely today. We're getting some chats here coming in. Shiba's ahead of its time, still so much potential. Still a lot of potential there for Shib. Solana or Near Protocol? I'd say Solana, but I like Near too. I missed it. I never got into it. What about Chainlink? Well, Chainlink is one of my favorites. There's no doubt about it. Super, super undervalued, in my opinion. Chainlink is very undervalued. Appreciate all the new subscribers too coming in. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys do that. If you're watching here on YouTube on one of these live streams, subscribe, ring the notification bell, put all notifications on so you don't miss out on anything that we hit on during the streams, because we're here again every single day. Monday through Friday, we're live streaming. We did not live stream last Friday just because I had a bachelor party. I was traveling for a good friend of mine, but every other, Monday through Friday, we're live, and sometimes we even go live on the weekends. We're always putting out videos, though, no matter what. So if you're not yet subscribed right here on the channel, make sure you do so. We're getting close to 149,000 subs on our road to 150. On our road to 150. So definitely lock into that. Appreciate you guys for being here as well. Here on a couple different lives that we've got flying right now. So we talked a little bit about Doge. What else do we like here? Let's see. XRP had a really good week last week. We'll be watching XRP. XRP had a really good week. Avalanche. Let's talk about Avalanche for a second. Avalanche is looking really, really good. Yeah, we will get to Brett too, Dave. Good call. Yeah, Brett's been looking good. But AVAX, we've been waiting for AVAX to make that big push. We've been waiting for Avalanche to make a big move. Well, we got it. Avalanche jumps 13% as gaming grows really, really nicely here. So AVAX has been one that we've had our eyes on for a while, talking about it, how it's a great time to accumulate Avalanche back when, AVAX was sitting there at like $20 or so. It's sitting at 32 now. I mean, just in the last 7 days, you could have picked up AVAX at 26. But look in the last month, AVAX dipped down to the low 20s. And then in the yearly, obviously, we came way down. Back in March, AVAX popped up to $60. AVAX popped up to $60 back in March. So we're still sitting at 32. I think it's a great, great opportunity here on AVAX still. Really interesting play still. And they have, like this article kind of highlights here, gaming partnerships continue to grow like crazy. They've introduced the autumn of 2020 by a team led by software engineer Emin Gun Sire, along with Kevin Seknick and Ted Yin. The Layer 1 blockchain supports smart contracts, quickly positioned itself as a competitor to Ethereum. The partnership underscores the growing interest in utilizing robust and stable blockchain platforms like Avalanche for gaming applications. And we're getting that broader uptick in the market too with Ethereum ETF. So I think you're going to see some other layer ones make some pushes here. Avalanche, one of those top ones. Solana's already been pumping like crazy too. So it's not just about ETH, guys. This is more about, I think, the altcoin market at large, right? And obviously things tied to Ethereum are going to be performing well too. If we take a look at Brett, top altcoin on base, it's been on a nice little uptrend for a little while here. This is the 12-hour look that you're looking at if you're watching not the vertical live stream, but the other one. You can see here we're at $1.42 billion market cap. It's been on a nice little uptrend since, bottoming out July 5th, July 7th, July 12th, kind of a triple bottom here on the 12-hour on Brett. And then we shot back up, to right where we are about right now, 1.4, $1.5 billion market cap. So you'll love to see that. You'll love to see it. Brett showing some nice strength here for sure. Some of our other top plays. Let's take a look at Punky. Punky still showing really good strength here. $350 million market cap. After topping out at like 71 cents, which is awesome. We're back down to about 63 cents right now, but still looking really good. Over 52,000 holders of Punky now. Brett is a meme coin, but I guess it's an altcoin too. I do own a little bit of Turbo, Lorenzo, yeah. Floki's underrated. I got a little bit, but not a ton. But I own more of TokenFi, their sister token. Zach is back. We are back, baby. We are back. We are back in action. Yep, TokenFi is the play for me, EMAC. I just think there's more upside there. It's not to say Floki won't do well, but I think TokenFi within the RWA narrative and Floki's community and man, I think that's been a big win for me already, and we've profited, but we're still well invested there. So that's going to be a fun one, I think. Shout out to BBM, Bentley Bay Meme, continuing to climb up. Look at this, getting ready to hit a 500K market cap all-time high. Bentley Bay Meme. This is the one-day chart on BBM. Look at that. That thing has just been a stairway up. Kendu Inu, one of our favorite altcoins, $135 million market cap, continuing to trend up as well, guys. We bottomed out right around 100 mil. We talked about that, showed strength. We're up to 135 mil now on Kendu. And Kendu is said to have some, kind of partnerships and some things going on with Shib behind the scenes. So that's pretty big. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you're brand new here. Definitely appreciate that. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you turn all notifications on so you don't miss out on any live streams, because we do a ton of live streams right here. Yeah, this cat in a dog's world is now in the top 100. A new meme coin entered the top 100, guys. Crazy. Up 41% today, 133% on the week. Have no idea where it came from. This just shows you can't catch everything, and don't try to chase everything. Hopefully there's some people out there who got in on this and who's killing it. Some of the large caps that are performing the best: Avalanche, Helium, Celestia, Beam, XRP, still up almost 6% today. Dogecoin, climbing. Doge here in the last 24 hours did pop up over 14 cents. Just in the last week, you could have had Doge under 12. And here in the last month, Dogecoin fell below 10 cents, guys. And we were talking about stacking a ton of Dogecoin right now. Anytime it gets down in that 10-cent range, absolutely love it. I think that's a really good opportunity for an 8 to 10x. It's just way too undervalued down there. Way too undervalued. So we talked about Shib too, getting to that $100 million market cap. I think we're getting ready to start that big wave for alts. And remember, Shiba Inu did some crazy things back in March, going up 100+%. With Ethereum ETFs now coming out, this market turning, look out. Look out. So Politify, top political meme tokens, they have their own category now on CoinMarketCap, which is hilarious. Kind of crazy. I'm looking at it right now. This is hilarious. Political meme coins have their own category now. Crazy. Solana, man, looking really good. Sitting at 180 bucks right now on Sol. Celestia showing a lot of strength here, but AVAX, man, AVAX is the one to me. Super undervalued still. Even with this pop, AVAX is super undervalued. So let's talk about Elon changing his profile picture to the laser eyes. So Elon changed his profile picture to the laser eyes, and apparently he just touched down in Tennessee. So it looks as if he could be going to Bitcoin Nashville. This to me is going to be the biggest Bitcoin conference ever. It starts on Thursday. I'm heading out Wednesday. Heading out there Wednesday. This is going to be nuts. This Bitcoin conference is going to be nuts. There's no doubt about it. I mean, we've seen the Bitcoin conference grow and grow and grow, but with Trump now here and Elon potentially here, this is going to be insane. Absolutely insane. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, if you're on X and you haven't reposted the tweet, definitely do that. Smack the repost button. Can't wait for the Breakfast Club here coming up in a half hour too, guys. That's going to be pretty epic. Myro looks good. Yeah, I did see that. Any more big pullbacks, or do you think we are done? There's going to be pullbacks always. Always. I mean, big pullbacks, I don't think massive pullbacks, but I mean, 10, 15% moves can still happen. I'll try to live stream some at the event. Zach, I see your comment there. I'll try to live stream some at the event for sure. I like Myro. I still hold some, and we made a really nice trade on Myro, a couple trades. Myro on Solana. Honestly, we're due for a little bit of a pullback here at some point. But I don't know, man. This week is shaping up to be extremely bullish with Ethereum ETFs, Bitcoin Nashville. Man, this could get interesting. Always remember, have a plan. Understand where you're going to be taking your profits with every asset you're into. Every asset not created equal, right? We talk about this a lot. Meme coins or long-term holds, it's a different strategy. Form your strategy and your plan with every asset you own and make it individualized to that asset. That is what I'm doing that I didn't do back in 2021. Juan's going to be in Nashville. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I have not looked into PEAQ DPIN. No. What is that, Brian? Yeah, Eleanor said, if this is a teaser for another big guest announcement, where Elon, I feel like the only person bigger than Trump that could break the internet at this point is Elon. It would make sense too. He's friends with Trump, loves Bitcoin, and this event is turning out to be the biggest FOMO event in crypto. I'm completely speculating, but it would be super cool to see Elon come to Nashville. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, Asia's first inverse Bitcoin ETF go live in Hong Kong tomorrow. 'Landwolf on base is a sleeper. I've got Landwolf on Solana. That's the one I hold. Michael Van de Pope on X says the Ethereum ETF is just a few days away from going live, yet the retail interest has hit the lowest point of the past 3 years. That says a lot. Yeah, and exactly. Imagine what happens when retail and institutional demand collide. We are so damn early. 100%. Could not agree more with that assessment from Van de Pope. He also says the ETH ETF is on the horizon, but there's almost no hype surrounding it. Ethereum needs to hold above 0.05 BTC to sustain strength. Given the current skepticism, I'm expecting a lot of heavy breakouts to take place in the coming weeks. So crucial areas right now for Bitcoin to hold, according to Van de Pope, 65,000, and then 61.5 to 62.5, pretty much a range low. Okay, if that's going to happen this week, then we should be good for continuation toward the all-time high this week, coming in from Van de Pope. A lot of bullish sentiment around the conference. It's gonna be really good for all coins. Van de Pope says weekly update on the strength of altcoins. This was yesterday. It's still going strong. The seasonality is that the altcoins have bottomed in May and June. This likelihood is still significant for 2024, and I expect a stronger run this year since we're in a bull cycle. Overall, crypto is up about 1% today. Solana showing some big time strength. Again, Margex, guys, if you're interested in trading on leverage, Margex, links down below. Big sign-on bonus when you use my link. We got a bunch of people trading with us over there on Margex. If you're interested, check that out. Might be a decision leak about XRP during the conference. Could be. Hey, guys, have you heard of Arketic? They have launched a transaction chain using biometrics to secure access. Interesting. No, I had not heard about that. Morning, JB. Rumors about XRP going to go hard at the Bitcoin conference. Interesting. XRP looking really good, actually. Looking really good right now. Showing a lot of strength. Same thing with Dogecoin. And Solana and Avalanche, too. So a lot of strength there. Dog with hat looking really good on Solana. Celestia is killing it. Ondo Finance kind of stalling out a little bit, still at $1.06. I think there's a lot of value there. Jasmine under 3 cents. I like that. Oscar, I believe, is going to Nashville. He's definitely coming to Ethereum conference in Toronto. He's actually coming to meet me before we go to the Ethereum conference. He's actually flying in. I'm going to pick him up, and then we're going to Toronto together, actually. So. Oscar, Austin, and my buddy Crypto Mark, the Crypto Mark, he's also going to be coming to Toronto. Yeah, if you guys don't follow the Crypto Mark, I'll just put his channel up here. Definitely show him some love. Good friend of mine. He's growing his channel quite a bit, almost at 8K subscribers. So show him some love at the Crypto Mark. He's going to be coming out to Toronto with us. Oscar and Austin Hilton, too. Oscar Ramos, Austin Hilton, myself, and the Crypto Mark, all going to be out there for ETH Toronto. Ooh, reports are SEC Chair Gensler will likely resign in early 2025 after Biden exit. Interesting. The CEO of Bitcoin Magazine is the person who said, "Are you ready?" when Bitcoin, or when Elon changes Laser Eyes profile to Laser Eyes. Is Elon going to Bitcoin Nashville? That's the big question now, guys. There's a little Kendu Inu charting. Let's see what he's got here. He believes we'll go up to about the $150 million range. Yeah, I could see that. Been working with the guys since 30 mil, posted on TG many times. Top tier team that has been completely organic. Yeah, love Kendu. Good morning, everybody. What's going on? See a bunch of new people coming in. We're getting ready for Crypto Breakfast Club at 9:30. Lot to dive into, obviously, with what's been going on here. We'll be talking all kind of stuff. Meme coins, altcoins to trade. Apparently YouTube is down in some places. We're on YouTube right now. It's all good. What's up, Daniel? Remember to stop by Belly Busters when in Toronto. Best sub you'll eat in your life. Nice, bro. What's going on, man? Yeah, I do love steak. Do love steak. What's JD Vents doing? This little meme coin. 1.4 mil. Okay, building back up a little bit after the sell-off. Turbo looks pretty decent. 490 mil market cap now. Yeah, Turbo looks good. Really nice reversal here on Turbo. Yeah, I saw that, Brian. We'll see. We'll see. Land Wolf on Solana. Yeah, exactly. I like Land Wolf on Solana. That's been the one I've been in. That's good, Daniel. That's good to hear, bro. Looking forward to a Doge liftoff. Yeah, it's already up. I mean, it went down below 10 cents. We talked about that on the channel ad nauseum when that happened earlier this month. Fantastic opportunity. Crypto Mark is good. Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. Good dude. Yeah, he'll be with us out at Eat Toronto. So make sure you guys show him some love. If you don't subscribe to his channel yet, that's him right here. A lot of political conversations happening. Yeah, there's supposedly a plan that could be discussed by Trump as a reserve asset. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I would be shocked if Trump announces that at Bitcoin Nashville. Although, why is he going? I mean, some would argue just for votes. You know, we'll see. Take a look at the full price history of Ergo and tell me it's not an attractive price still if you think things are going to get stupid again. Ergo, yeah, let's take a look at it. Ergo is sitting at 89 cents. Wow, yeah. Way down. Our trading indicator has not flashed that momentum up just yet, but this is the weekly. We've been consolidating now since the big dump in July. The bottom could be in here. I agree with you, Daniel. Let's go on the daily and see if we're getting any. Yeah, just been consolidating. The bottom could be in here on Ergo. Interesting. That's an interesting one to keep on our radar. I might have to set some alerts with XT Algo. Sitting at 68 mil market cap. How high did we go? All-time high was $22. That was 7 years ago, though. That was back in 2017. Ticker symbol ERG. This would be a longer-term play for the cycle, but yeah, it's definitely bottomed out. Back in 2021, it got up to almost 19 bucks. Interesting. My match shows it's within 15% of in. Yeah, it looks close to bottoming. Been accumulating for 2 years now. Nice. Love it. So I was thinking of doing something for YouTube members, maybe starting to make some members only videos. What do you guys think? If you guys, is there more value there? I mean, obviously I prioritize your stuff and it's a really cheap price point for members here on the channel. But maybe I'll start doing some members only content on YouTube just for the members. What do you guys think? Would that urge you to pay for a coffee a month for me? It'd be cool to just get more members and maybe give something. I don't know. I'm toying around with it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Carter said Erg is the move. Yeah, it does. It does not look like a bad play. Zach, more on Cardano, please. Yeah, we did a video on Cardano recently. Love Cardano long term, man. It was a late mover last cycle. What do you think of Layer Zero, ZRO? I personally am not in it, Shane, but I've heard about it. 10K Erg and 100K ADA is the millionaire play. Carter Weston. There you go, Daniel. You got somebody on our. We have 2 live streams going on right now. We have a vertical live and we have a regular live that's being live streamed on X and YouTube. We got 2 things happening. So if I'm looking up here, I'm looking at the vertical live. If I'm looking here, I'm looking at the other live stream. Already down with the membership. Oh, so Joseph would be down. He's already a member. Member content. Yeah, I think maybe just, doing a couple things here and there for the members. And I appreciate it too for you guys just rocking with me. Ondo's starting to consolidate a little bit above $1 here. Still have been on just a unbelievable uptrend. I think it's hard to do TA on this because it's so early, but with Ondo's partnership with BlackRock, with the whole RWA narrative heating up, yeah, it's a lot to like. It's a lot to like. Yeah, and Daniel's still a Patreon member. We do still have the Discord too, where you can get tech support. That will heat up, obviously, as the bull run kicks off. We do still have the Patreon rocking and rolling too. That's where you can get access to me anytime. You can message me. Diamond Rough, good morning. What's happening, man? Yeah. So AVAX still looking good. This freaking Mew, what the heck is this thing, huh? Unbelievable. Another top 100 meme coin has entered the room. This on Solana again. Cat in a dog's world. They have a Twitter. We gotta follow their Twitter here. Yeah, I'm already following them. Mew on Solana. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We are about 10 minutes away, guys, from our live stream. 10 minutes away from our live stream. Well, from the Crypto Breakfast Club, I should say. Daniel, we got to get you on the Crypto Breakfast Club, bro. Can you join us today on X? Daniel, do you have an X account? Yeah. So what we're doing now is we go live at 8:30 a.m. Eastern to 9:30. And then on X, there's something called X Spaces. I'm sure you're probably familiar with them. So we do this every Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, but we bring the live stream right in. So you can either join in, listen in on the live stream, or if you come over to X, you can contribute and you could be a speaker up on the panel. So we're talking about Ethereum ETF week, all the crypto news, alpha, meme coins we're trading. And so combined, we usually have like 1,300 people listening in. It's epic. So yeah, dude, it's been a while. If you guys don't know, Daniel was there with me day one when I started my YouTube channel. This guy's brilliant. He's in my Discord. He's a moderator over there. Lives in Israel, so I know he's been going through some really tough and brutal times. So prayers to everybody there and everybody who's been affected. That I'm sure you know, Daniel. So, but yeah, man, if you can join us on the actual X account. By the way, we crossed over 100K on X, which is amazing. Huge accomplishment for us. Thanks to everybody for helping us get there. And yeah, we're growing an unbelievable brand in the Crypto Breakfast Club. We just got a great thing brewing. Joe Mullen, thank you so much for becoming a member. Yeah, if you want to be up, there with us, man, we'll bring you up as a speaker, Daniel. Yeah, we're getting close to 150K on YouTube, and we're over 100K on X. Pretty crazy. Right around 13,000 on Instagram. We're slowly growing the IG too. So Joe Mullen just became a member. Should I not, or be me with anyone? No, just be yourself. Be yourself, bro. And you can listen into these spaces too, just on these live streams. We have another live stream going on YouTube. We have 2 YouTube live streams happening right now. The other one is where this one will be the actual Crypto Breakfast Club will be playing. So on this live stream, let's go, massive week for crypto. This is the one you guys are on the vertical right now, but it'll be on this one. It'll be streamed there, and we're streaming on X, which we've been getting a ton of people listening in on X to all of our stuff. So it's been awesome. I gotta go get my coffee. Guys, I'll be right back. I gotta go grab my coffee. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, we are back. Diamond Rough, APU, gonna pop. APU. I feel like I've seen this. Thank you so much for the super chat. APU's $237 million market cap. Holy crap. It's already popping. What is this thing? It must have something to do with Pepe. $237 million market cap. 14,000 holders. APU. Interesting. All right, Diamond Rough. Definitely going to be watching this and looking into it. Appreciate that, bro. Yeah, Daniel, you know what it is. Double live streaming, man. Why not? Shout out to Joe Mullen, too, for becoming a member. Joe's been watching since 2021. Figured it's time to join. Keep doing what you do. Great job, bro. Appreciate you, Joe. Will Solana correct? Maybe a little bit before it goes back up to 200. But it's been on a tear, man. It's been on a tear. Monka Esper. Yeah, that's where I thought I heard it. He brings up APU quite a bit. That's where I thought I heard it on the space. Artman. Okay, Daniel. Epic, man. We'll see you over there. We'll see you over there in 5 minutes. Nice, Diamond. That's awesome, man. Appreciate you, bro. All right, guys on the vertical, we're going to close out this stream. So all 74 of you, you need to come over and join our other live stream going on YouTube right now, okay? So we have this live stream going on. I'm going to close this one, the Shiba Inu coin one, and come and join Let's Go Massive Week for Crypto because we're going to be going live from that one in less than 4 minutes. I'll see you guys all over there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, everybody, for listening, and see you on the other live stream. Going to be epic. Crypto Breakfast Club, 2 hours, hard-hitting crypto content. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Join me right here. Join me right here.